Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Dart, and today I'm going to give you the weather coming up in the next few days. We are expecting quite hot heat actually coming up in the next few days, mainly in a few parts of England, such as London and the southeast. Maybe a few hotter temperatures widespread, but most of the hot temperatures would be in London, where I'm showing you on the GFS today. However, I'm just going to do a brief overview on what the weather's going to be like today. Pretty miserable for summer, a little bit below average, and there has been a few parts of rain coming in. Some drizzle may be turning a bit more moderate. So if I go over here where I live, it has been a band of rain pushing in through the Atlantic Ocean, coming into England, giving us some scattered rain showers in most parts of England actually. So it's one of the more rainier days in August, so quite miserable. Hopefully this will be the last miserable day I have, but we'll have to see. Again, just moving in for today, we are getting a little bit more moderate to heavy rainfall coming in through parts of the evening. Hopefully that would be pushing out into the North Sea, pushing towards the east by around 8 o'clock coming into tomorrow. So if I have a look at the temperature today, on just for now, we can see here, most of the hot air has been coming towards the southeast. Otherwise, we have been seeing temperatures up to like just the mid to high teens. If you see here, London got to 21 on my tab here, so most of the hot air would be down the southeast. Otherwise, we've only got to like mid-teens, maybe up to 20 in a few areas. So yeah, maybe getting to 20, but again, been quite a cool day, a lot more fresher than we've seen, but that is what it's going to be like for today. However, I'm going to be focusing on what the temperature is going to be like in the next few days, such as Monday and Sunday, where there's going to be hot heat coming in. We might be seeing temperatures up to around 30 degrees, possibly higher. We'll have to see what the GFS says. So, in terms of that, precipitation, like I said, through the first hours of the morning, it has been quite cloudy, as you can see here. We haven't seen a lot of sun. And then through the afternoon, we have seen the rainfall coming in from the North Atlantic Ocean, giving us some rainfall, which will last us throughout the day. Most of the heavy rainfall, actually quite heavy rainfall, moderate to heavy even, is around in Scotland area, or the Scottish borders, so pretty heavy rain, moderate to heavy rain in the Scottish area. However, we have seen a few more unsettled conditions for today. Hopefully not as bad for tomorrow, maybe a few isolated showers for tomorrow, but I'll get into that in a minute. Again, that scattered shower, again, some more showers pushing in through the east, going towards the east, and then coming into Friday. Hopefully Friday is a little bit of a better day. Maybe a few cloudy conditions, maybe the odd isolated shower. However, a lot better, and maybe temperatures a little bit more. Well, temperatures still the same, but hopefully the weather's not as bad. Again, scattered showers. Sorry about that. Possible with a few more clouds moving in. In terms of the weekend, maybe a few bands of showers coming in through the morning, hopefully pushing out in the afternoon or evening. However, we still have a bit of cloud, but other than that, coming into Sunday, we have quite a clear day and quite a settled conditions coming into Sunday, where this hot air comes. A few areas of high pressure coming in, that means. And then Monday, we can see some red rainfall coming in over here, showing us some probably thundery downpours coming up into Scotland. So I will be keeping an eye on what's going to go on that. However, the rest of the UK will be staying dry for now. Maybe the odd scattered shower, but like I said, maybe the odd possible thunderstorm, as you can see, coming into Scotland on Monday. Now, I want to get into the temperatures. I just want to discuss what the temperatures are going to be like for that day. If I have a look at the temperatures for today, again, the temperatures have been a little bit disappointing. Only got to like 21 today. It might be the average. I think it is the average. But yeah, areas in the north have seen mid to high teens, possibly reaching up to 20, but nothing too good. So if I move into Friday, maybe some more warmer air coming in, 23, 24, maybe 25, possible for tomorrow. So a little bit hotter, well, warmer, I wouldn't go that far. Again, mid to high teens in the north, getting to just about 20. Same goes for Saturday. This is the morning. And then here we have a little bit of a hotter day on Saturday. So we are getting a bit more of a ridge of high pressure coming into the weekend, I've just noticed. So if I have a look at the hottest part, on Saturday we are ranging to about 26 or maybe 27 in parts of southeast England where that heat builds up, where the heat obviously kind of fluctuates. That's where it kind of goes. The heat is more intense in London, I've just noticed, because of the hot air that arrives there first, getting a bit weaker to the poles. Again, on Saturday, in the north, it's a little bit disappointing. Well, a little bit better actually. 22 in the north, again, quite mid, and then obviously a lot cooler and fresher in Scotland, mid to low teens actually in Scotland, so a bit more lower for Scotland. But in the southeast, we are seeing for Saturday areas getting to 26, quite a widespread 25 and 26 actually, coming over here. But maybe the odd area will get to about 27. And this is not it. Sorry about that. This is the nighttime temperatures. Now we're going to go into Sunday. Again, them temperatures ramping up a little, just a bit more than we've seen. Is that it for Sunday? Oh, sorry about that. Again for Sunday. Again, seeing a widespread 25 actually. So we might be seeing 25 in quite a few areas. So in terms of where this is going to reach, again 26 in London, possibly 27. Reaching towards London. Now getting into Monday. Let's have a look. So getting into Monday, this is where the hot air is going to be a little bit more intense, where we see some over 30-degree heat coming in towards the southeast. So if we have a look, the temperatures now quickly increasing into the morning, going into the afternoon and 4 o'clock where it's going to be worse. So this is going to be, let me just see if I can stay there. And then here on Monday, probably at afternoon, we are going to be seeing temperatures just over 30 degrees in actually quite a widespread area. So this won't be a heat wave because this won't last on for that long. I've just looked on the forecast. This is only going to last for 1 or 2 days. So it's not classed as a heat wave, just a hot day. So, however, the temperatures are still quite high. We are expected to see quite widespread 30 degrees actually in the southeast, just going to Lincolnshire and the south of England. I can see areas of quite a widespread 20. I can see quite a widespread 30. I can even see 31, and possibly some areas might get to 32. If it gets to 32, that will be the hottest we got this year. So maybe the odd area might get to 32 if that area sticks, of course. Just go back. So yeah, quite a hot day coming on Monday. However, in terms of, well, a bit northern areas, we might see 22, maybe a few 27s, but nothing too bad in the north and Scotland. Just an area of heat, just a bit low 30s in London. So yeah, possibly the odd 32 in London. Obviously, the highest temperature this year was 30. I think it was 31.9. So it possibly could try and beat that for today, for Monday. So yeah, seeing about 32 degrees heat is possible with widespread 30s. Hopefully in the coast, a lot cooler if you don't like the hot weather. Again, that's what it's going to be like for now. And then temperatures hopefully will fluctuate a little bit. This is the nighttime temperatures. What is it? Yeah, it is. The night temperatures are still getting to about 21. So an uncomfortable night for Monday night after that heat wave. In terms of pressure then, I'm just going to restart it because I looked at it first. So again, we are in an area of low pressure. Obviously, the average low pressure will be over the 1030. So we have an area of low pressure giving us all this rain, of course. And if I run through, that area of low pressure comes in, sweeps in, obviously throughout Thursday, as that obviously dominates the UK, really giving us all this rain for now. So we have this, you can see all the rain, you can see the green represents the rain, possibly heavy in some areas. So that